Now you know how your C++ code turn into an executable on your computer. But this is just the beginning. Next, we will dive deeper into C++ from basic to advanced features, and at the same time, we will explore how compiler works, how your code get optimized, and how machine really understand it. Alongside that, we will gradually learn about GPU, assembly language, and how programs run efficiently on hardware. But before we dive fully, it's important to get comfortable with essential Linux tools, utilities, and build system. This will run in parallel with your learning journey. Learn the basic navigation directory, viewing and editing files using commands like grep, find, and awk. Understand package management, apt, yum, or dnf, and build system make cmake and ninja, which will help you compile and manage project efficiently. Also get familiar with debugging and profiling tools like GDB, valgrind, perf, version control with Git and basic shell scripting to automate tasks. Mastering this will make you a better programmer. You will write faster, more efficient code and understand what's happening behind the scene, making compiler, assembly, and GPU programming much easier. So in the next playlist, we will start our deep dive into C++ while slowly in parallel exploring compiler, assembly, GPU, and Linux tools. Subscribe and hit the bell. Don't miss the next step of your journey. Thank you.